So if your laptop touchpad not working, the first step you need to check is to make sure the touchpad key is enabled. So if you press the, for me it's F2. So after function F2, okay? So you will see on the screen it's enable or disable the icon, okay? So this icon is disabled. So you need find out which key is your touchpad function key on top of your keyboard, and make sure it's enabled. So if it is not the case, what you need to do is to check the driver, touchpad driver. Okay. I go to the Windows icon and right click, go to Device Manager. If I expand the human interface device, I can see the I2C HID device has problem. I already try right click and try to update driver and also try open Windows setting. So open Windows setting and go to Windows Update and see if the advanced option has option updates. There's more driver update here, but I cannot find any update driver related to the I2C. So what you can do, it's very easy. You just go to a website, acer website. We go to acer website and then we go to support. Then we go to drivers and menus. From here, they ask you to input the series number. You can download the series number detection tools to do that. I already have the series number, so I will copy it and paste to the website. And here, you can see the driver list. So you need to select your Windows operating system. And you need to find the touchpad. Okay, so normally we download the Synaptics. Okay, so we will try the Synaptics first. So we download it and save it to the my download folder. Open it. You need to extract it. Okay, and after extract it, you will see the setup option. Don't use this one. We need to go back to the right click, device manager, and then we go back to the HI2C and go to properties. Drivers, and from here, we use update drivers. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick up from list. And then we select hard disk and browse it. So we go back to the download one. Double click to open and select this one. You can only find one of these. It's end with INF. Click OK. Click OK. Click Next. It's not recommended, okay? Don't matter. Click Yes. Okay. So now you can see the genetic HID device is show up. And if you use, you need to restart your computer. And after that, it will work, okay? And one more thing is, this method won't work for other users using the same laptop. So for each user, you need to install that drivers like this method. Okay. To enter the BIOS of the laptop, you need to restart your computer. Restart, and then press F2 key. So waiting for the logo show up, then press the F2 key constantly. And now you enter the BIOS, okay? So you need to go to the main. And then from here you cannot see the touchpad function here. In this case, you need to press Control S, okay? So after press Control H, you can see the touchpad keys show up here. So by default, this one is by default, this one is I2C, okay? So you need to switch to PS2. After that, you need a save and exist, F10. Save and exist, okay? So after that, it will restart your computer, and then your touchpad should work.